Did you know that some of the things that you do to support your intestinal health can also improve your outward aesthetic beauty? Hi, my name is Dr. Anna Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, reminding you that your skin, like other epithelial surfaces, including the lining of your intestinal tract, benefit from hydration and collagen. Your body makes collagen with a combination of amino acids and protein, something called hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. Before I get too deep into that, this is the perfect time to remind you, go to dranatoker.com, sign up for the free newsletter, support our sponsors, check out the things that we love, the programs that we create. All of these things help support the channel and keep me posting content. If you want to know a healthy source of collagen that's natural and whole food, you can get that from bone broth or even gelatin. If you're a plant-based eating type of a person, you want to avoid animal proteins, then good sources of amino acids as well as hyaluronic acid would include things like edamame, has both protein and hyaluronic acid in it. Add to that an orange, you get your vitamin C and some hyaluronic acid. A sweet potato is high in hyaluronic acid. So when you're getting your protein, your hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, your intestinal tract is happy, your skin will glow, you'll be beautiful from the inside out.